एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया क्या है, और इसके अलावा और भी डिटेल्स बता चुका हूँ कि कैसे आपने डाटा फ्लो आगे कैसे पुट करना है और सारा क्या क्या डॉक्यूमेंट्स रिक्वायरमेंट है। तो आज की इस वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को आप लोगों को बताऊँगा कि स्टडी मटेरियल आपने कैसे तैयार करना है और कौन कौन सी बुक से आपने DHA एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी करनी है। तो बहुत ही सिंपल एग्ज़ाम है, इतना ज़्यादा मुश्किल नहीं एग्ज़ाम। क्लिनिकल टच ज़्यादा होता है इसमें, जिनका क्लिनिकल एक्सपीरियंस है तो वो उनके लिए सबसे बेस्ट है। तो लेट्स कम टू अवर मेन टॉपिक। First of all, who can apply? Requirements: 3 years of experience is must for you to be deemed eligible. 1 year internship with 2 years of post-graduation experience. Verification of all qualification and experience certificate by data flow. You can book your DH exam before completing data flow verification. Data flow can be done before, along with, or after clearing your exam. However, both passing the exam and verification of documents by data flow are needed for the registration process. Next one is the cost of DH exam. DH exam via Prometric will cost $280. Data flow has two packages. One costs 900 dirham, which include one academic qualification and two experience certificates, one that of internship and other post internship experience only. Second one costs 1200 dirham and it includes two academic qualification and two experience certificates. Verification of any additional qualification or experience certificate will cost 300 dirham per document. 200 dirham to apply for the eligibility letter when you have passed the exam and verified your other documents by data flow. Study material. This is the main thing many colleagues are asking regarding study material. DH exam for GP has 4 fields to test you: medicine, surgery, obstetrics and gynecology, and pediatrics. There is no set pattern or predetermined number of MCQs from any section. Please avoid scams offering leaked exam MCQs as they have fraud and don't know anything about the actual exam. For DHA GP, you have to study the following material: ALA files with files ethics and non-pictures, MTB Step 2 CK. If you have fresh knowledge and have been in clinical practice continuously, the only ALA files, if done in detail and revised 2 to 3 times, are more than enough for the exam. However, if you want to refresh your concepts, then MTB is you to go for your DHA exam. Another thing is first aid, USMLE first aid, and other rapid access to DHA exam that are also beneficial for the DHA exam. Job situation: you have to be in Dubai in person to have a chance of securing a job. It might take 1 week to 2 to 3 months, depends on individual luck, but you must oftenly secure a job sooner or later. Pay ranges from minimum of 800 dirham to higher ranges depending upon your experience and your negotiation. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I am sure that you all will be cleared with the detail of DHA exam regarding how to apply eligibility criteria, how to create your online account through Sheryan. So link will be given for the other videos regarding the DH exam. So thank you so much for watching my video. Best of luck for